Oh, it hit me on the nipple. Come on, guys. Team squeak.
That's fixing you up.
Is that it? Yeah. It's not going to be awkward to carry. Yeah, both of them are. I'm not going to tell you, obviously. I'm behind the fort. Hang on, I'm standing out of it. It's me. Johnny's hit, he's hit.
Alright. Oh, sorry, I thought I'd drop it.
Oh, he's using it in fort. Did you get tagged back in? Oh yeah, nice one.
Robbie, Tom's ring right.
He's got the stick. Bomb.
Got a bomb as well.
Robbie, he shot me right on the nipple. Ready? Tom's sticking right out.
Why is he not dead?
I'll video him so you can see if he gets hit or not. Oh, you took the firelighter off.
Yeah, I did. It'll go through the bloody gun, won't it?
Flipping heck. Yes. Ah, there's one then. It's you slip. I can't say. What the hell's ever? Oh, it's there. Oh, sorry. I thought you disappeared then. You can either wait or run back to your base.
No, he's got to wait 30 seconds.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Yeah. Sure. Where is it? Behind you? Oh, you dropped it. It's... What have you done?
Right, you gotta get him, Rob. Right, by the fort.
Yeah, I see him. I like that as Edward. There you go. He'll do that for you. I shot him flipping arm, not there, Johnny. Rob, need some help, mate. I'll leave you to hide. Do you even know you're here, Robbie? Oh, what has hit me in the neck?
Oh, I ricochet.
Yeah. It's alright.
What the hell has Tom not been hit?
It is a bit of an annoying.
It's already open.
He's moving around to the right.
Oh, that is.
Yeah, that. Should I go video of it? Should I go to him?
Yep, you do that.
Where's that now go? Da, 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 da. It's quite a nice little bluebells. Johnny has made an advance on the right. Tom hasn't seen him.
Shit. Hit!
Hit!
I don't understand how I can hit him.
Oh, this is going to be a good one of the high purpose. Hey Tom, you gotta wait up there for 30 seconds. That's... Oh no, 30 seconds dead time. Then you can respawn back to base, you haven't been... No, if you haven't been tagged, you gotta wait there for 30 seconds to get tagged. You're a bit panicking, aren't you? Do we put it back on for you?
Yeah.
Ah, I can't. Head's hit. Head's out. Where does Robbie, what's his name, Tom respawn? Where does Tom respawn? Alright, yeah. Run, Tom, run. No, not trip, run. No, Robbie, none of them were hitting him.
You're joking?
No, only like the last bit that were hitting him.
What the hell's wrong with this one?
No, they're kind of damn close though. Oh, Johnny, I saw you, yeah? I saw you make a run all the way up there. I was like, yeah,
Time you got him,
I was mumbling to us, oh, bother. Right, you got 1 minute. Shall I take 10 seconds off of it because you're in here for like...
Yeah, hit.
10 seconds, so it's 1:35. Right. 1:35 left, guys. 1:20, 1:30 even, sorry. Shall I get a video of them? No, I'll stay in here, it's a bit more cooler. How much you want to bet I get hit?
Hit! Oh, yeah, the cowards. What time we got?
Oh, there are bombs on the end of the thing. Okay. Hang on, cameraman. 1:50, guys. Yeah, that's a good point. You can just stay down, can't you? Right, Edward's out, guys. Edward's actually completely out. Yeah. "20 seconds, guys. 20 seconds!" Edward, did you hear Edward in the background? Rushton!